On this episode of Bad Tree Productions, we're going to be working on Jeremy's 360. It's not going to all run together that great because it's clips from previous episodes in the background when we're trying to keep this thing its own kind of video. So hope you enjoy it, hope it makes sense, and yeah, just take a look at it. Let us know what you think. Old Fettkether Repair. So this is me and Jeremy's buddy Andrew. He owns his own machine shop here in town, and we're fortunate enough to know a guy with all these fancy toys around here. So if you ever need any work done, he'll tell you what his business is. And
this is Andrew Fettkether. I own and operate Fettkether Repair. I get anything from heavy equipment, machine end, car parts, all kinds of stuff to work on, and I'll help these guys out for a while. Yeah, they're fun to be around.
You got a web page?
I do not have a web page. I don't have a Facebook page. I just kind of go off name and local business. I don't advertise too much.
So if you're around the McGregor Prairie du Chien area, you'll be able to find it.
Yep.
All right, thanks, Andrew. How's it going, Jeremy?
It's going. Kind of sporadic.
So this is a big holding tank then?
Yep, that thing is full all the way down here to the top of oil, hydraulic oil.
No shit. Wow.
Yeah, it holds about 100 gallons, 120 gallons.
Yeah, I guess for this, you probably need it. This thing's cool. So Andy's getting ready to pump some hydraulic oil into this big old bastard, and we need to fill it because I got a piece of 1/8 inch I need cut by 3 by 3 inches. Well, you guys can't really see, but it's getting there.
Slowly.
All right. Rack loose.
They're definitely tight.
Knuckle shaver.
Mm-hmm. Well, we're gonna need bearings. Journals look okay though. We'll have to get an expert opinion on that. Bummer. This thing's turned into a money pit, Blake.
Speedo cable's in.
Speedo cable's in. This is gonna be some of the hokiest shit anyone's ever seen. This is this is just shenanigans, Jay. I don't know.
Oh, it's kind of neat though, huh?
Yeah. Oh, I don't have a. I need a 3/8 to 1/2 inch
Drill dough adapter.
Yeah, for my drill dough.
The drill dough.
Because this is, I don't have a
yeah
1.25" 3/8 drive socket.
That's right. Do we even have? I don't have one of those.
I have it the other way. But stop it.
I know. I was thinking.
You were. I can see the wheels turning. Okay. So we're trying something here. We're stroping the journals.
We're doing what?
Right? That's what you do to with the leather? You stroke with leather?
Stroke? I don't know. I think you just made that word up.
Okay. So we've got a
Bungee
potential-matic hooked to the
leather belt.
Hippie
onto the
bell
wobulator shaft.
minus the bell bottoms.
Yeah, my bell bottoms are whatever.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have a way to chuck a 1/2-inch socket to a drill, so
Just hand job.
I got one of Grandpa's old
speed wrenches.
crank starters here, and it's just kind of.
That's how we're gonna do it.
I mean, it's spinning on the belt, right?
Yeah. Oh, sure.
And I think it's working.
I think it would work. Moving her side to side a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I guess I would. We'll see about getting some fine emery or what, or you're thinking. Yeah, there's some. Yeah, you weren't trying hard enough there. You're probably using your fingernail-less finger on it.
I use.
I did. What the hell?
I did.
Did you put a fingernail on it?
Yeah, I put it.
Oh. I get some fine. We'll get some fine emery or whatever. Well, where's our list of shit we're getting?
For those who don't know, 1,000 grit is finer than 100 grit. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
If it's pretty rough, take it to the crank polish. Sure.
Who's that guy?
I don't know.
What bar does he drink
I
at?
hope it's a girl.
Wow.
I got a package from Summit. That worked better than I thought. All right.
What could it be?
Ooh, decals. $100 wine voucher to nakedwines.com. I will be going there right after. Okay.
If somebody would like this,
Yeah.
we're having a giveaway.
All right. Got some decals. That's what we want. Sealed power piston ring set. I believe I ordered the one with the Molly ring, not the cast one, so a little bit better. They tell me.
So there's a Molly ring, an ecstasy
Steel ring. And, yeah. Cool. We'll get those unwrapped. And a needed item is a new balancer. So we might start putting some of it together today. Awesome. Let's do it.
Let's try this.
I seen that break, son of a bitch. Don't do
That
that.
hurts. I can't see now.
So same kind of rig, and then like tape it to the block. Leave the lower bearing half in there,
Right.
So it's not flapping. And that lower bearing half can catch all the nasties because we're replacing anyways.
Right.
And then this one's pretty. Not as bad as the cylinder journals were, but
Where's the super groovy?
I thought it was this one.
Oh yeah.
But then I felt it this morning and it was way better than it was last night.
So you had
I had Ultra Coors Light.
wobbly pops make you get groovier.
I had too many groovy wobbly pops. It's an issue up here. So yeah, as long as everything gets cleaned and smoothie and then specced out what Mr. Chilton says, we can reinstall bearings and then reinstall flip-floppy pistons and start putting this thing together. Finally.
That'd be fun to do that. So
I
Jay's at a standstill just like all of us.
Right.
Let's polish our crank together.
You put some pressure on it for me and I'll start cranking. Let's start here.
scared.
fast it's gonna come. Well, it's not. It shouldn't start up.
Bluetooth stroker kit.
Okay, so that's not gonna work. There's no leverage on it. I don't want to bottom that thing out.
No. Thinner.
For we'd like to thank Yao Ming for being the cameraman today.
Yeah. Enjoying his retirement.
You put your fingers a little get pressure a little more if you want. Oh yeah, thing's gonna whack you though, ain't it?
Yeah, just.
Let me go slow one. Oop. You feel like you got pressure on it?
Mm-hmm.
Sounds like it's doing something. That's scary. Your finger right there, dude.
I know.
We'll think of something different here.
Hold on. Let me just. There we go.
No, because you're right there, and then.
Ah!
Hang on, let's. As long as there's a little pressure down on it, I think it'll be. Oh, shit.
There we go.
Yeah.
Go away, Mom. I'm just cleaning my room.
There's two guys polishing a crank. The bearing surface is back here. And then there's, see? So this here.
Come here, guys. Come here. See?
Oh. So that's only the bearing surface in this back there's the rear main. And back there, it looks, but there's no bearing surface there, so that can be kind of cruddy. See?
Yep. Yao Ming just does not want to move.
Then we'll take the last thinny and go on here where the rear main is. All right, so there's that. Ready, Freeze?
Hold on.
Yep. Go slow. Yeah? No?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yep. It's scary. It's like looking at the Twilight Zone. Everything's spinning by you.
Oh, nice. Screw it, man.
Hey, let's try that one again. I wasn't getting a whole lot of pressure on
We'll try hammering one
it.
in.
Yeah.
Say you favor the paper one way or the other. There you go. Right?
Yep.
Go slow. Ooh. You get your finger in there. I can't stop this on
I
a dime.
felt that just tickle my knuckle.
Oh God, the flex plate's whipping around too.
Yeah, the flex plate's going after my pinky knuckle and the weight's going after my pointer finger knuckle. Oh, that's way better.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Smooth like Chinese butter steel.
So now, I think we want to pull this and set it somehow.
No, they're light.
Not terrible.
You done scratched your new Wix filter. So you want to tear your 360 all the way down when you...
Put a cam in it.
Yeah. Just tap it out. Just tap, tap, tap it out.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Jeez, you didn't have to hit it so hard.
No, well, I know. Mm. 5 of 5, 2005.
And who knows how long they're on the shelf, but
Right, either way. And then the block is a
we can go.
84.
So it was rebuilt at least in 05, if not anytime sooner. If you've had
At the
it for
oldest,
what, 3
right.
years.
Yeah. Maybe I'll call Wolf
Wolfie,
Monday.
How's-
See what a
how's Wolfie?
Wolfie. Wolfie's fine, dear. Please come home. Oh, John, your parents are dead. Your foster parents are dead.
Carl, come on. Do it now. Yummy.
How does that?
Get it out.
Yeah.
You idiots.
Oh, there it went.
Jeremy, you got what you want.
There.
Give these people air.
Glenn.
Boy,
Boy, that's a stiff it.
Stiffy.
Rear main.
Ask them how much it is to tank them or whatever
Yeah.
after you grind it.
Call him on.
Well, just turn your water heater up in the basement. We'll go up in the bathtub.
It's
That's all they do.
yeah, right.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We're sorry we've been busy with the holidays. Work's been kind of crazy right now too, and there's a lot of projects going on. But we want to get back on the schedule of uploading a little bit more. And yeah, just be patient, and we'll be back with more stuff. Thanks for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. And thanks for all you guys from Doug's channel that came over and subscribed for us too.
Yeah, buddy. Thanks, guys.